I really struggled, and I thought my life was over. I mean, I thought, how can I live like this for the next 30 years? I would never kill myself, but I thought to myself, I can't live like this. My name is Suzanne Kirby. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, acupuncture, in alternative healthcare. I have a clinic in Sag Harbor, New York with my husband. I was experiencing extreme discomfort with something called Meniere's. I had tinnitus, ringing in my ears. I had hearing loss and vertigo, and I had hypersensitivity to sound, so I couldn't even go grocery shopping or go outside really without headphones on. I had given up hope just about, really. I just couldn't find anything, and all the mainstream people say there's nothing you can do about Meniere's, you have to live like this. But I couldn't. The roaring in my ears was really tremendous. I went to Dr. Garcia the first time. He was very calm and helpful, you know, and there was a trust that I had in him initially that he was really my last straw. I mean, this was it. So I guess I put all my eggs in one basket. But after my 5th visit, which was about 5 months, I noticed a really big change. I don't have the vertigo anymore. My hearing has come back. I went to the audiologist and they said my hearing is really, really improved. As soon as I had results, I had decided I was going to take this course as soon as I found out he was doing a course. And I couldn't make the first couple because of different reasons. I'm learning so much. I'm really excited to bring this back to my practice and start using it on my clients. I think he's a great teacher. He's calm. He answers all questions, and he's thorough. All the materials and all it's very organized, and there's a rhythm to it that's nice. You know what to expect. They tell you what they're going to do and how they're going to do it, and that's really good. And there's plenty of time to practice at the end of the day. We practice on each other, and that's been very helpful too. I'm amazed because I really didn't think I would be able to live a normal life, but I can now, and I'm so, so, so grateful. Thank you, Dr. Garcia.